Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you one of my Arduino project. So this project is based on ESP12. So I will show you this app. The feature of this app is that you don't require any internet connection. This will work on your hotspot region and you will have a nice customized UI and you don't have to enter your IP address each time. So IP address already pre-programmed in this project and you can choose your hotspot credential according to your wish. In order to connect this app onto your gadget, download the app, and before you have to program using this code. In this code you have to change the SSID and password according to your SSID and password, and this should be the same SSID and password which you should have to configure your hotspot. So if you don't want to use this app, you can also go to this URL. If you encounter any 110 error, it's due to your hotspot error. So double check your SSID and password. If you have correctly configure your hotspot with this SSID and password, this gadget will automatically connect to your hotspot and you can control directly from your app without configuring or entering your IP address. So this is a best app for your daily automation requirement. So in order to use, copy this program and paste it in your Arduino IDE and select your board. After select your port and click upload. Okay guys, after programming your ESP12 or any other ESP model, configure your hotspot with the same SSID and password that you have programmed. So here my SSID PC week and password is PC week 123. And configure your hotspot so the device will automatically connect to your hotspot. As you can see, it has already connected. You don't need any other settings. Now your indirect connection also. After that, you can directly control your gadget. So I will show you. As you can see, if you click the on button, it will on, and if you click the off button, you can off your gadget. That's all. You don't have to enter all the IP address all the time, so you can use this app for your daily automation purposes. I will provide all the download description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.